Hey guys, welcome back to Woods Tree Farm. I'm Phil, and today we're going to work on upping my smoking wood game. I've done smoking wood in chunks, in bags, for a couple years now, and it's done okay. I sold, not huge numbers, but a few dozen bags every year. And this year I'm already off to a better start than previous years because I've had more wood available. So I showed you guys the other day, this crate of cherry just came out of the kiln. So I'm going to look at making 2 smoking wood products with some of this wood. And if you've seen my previous videos, you know what I'm talking about. And I'm also going to incorporate some feedback that some of you guys gave me on a previous video. So in a previous video I showed you guys this. I used just this cheap miter saw, and I would just take regular firewood and cut it up into chunks and put it in this 5-gallon bucket, and then dump that bucket into a mesh bag, and it's those mesh bags full of smoking wood that I sell. Well, your feedback on one of the other videos was, hey Phil, how about you put the mesh bag in the bucket and then fill your chunks, fill the bag in the bucket instead of trying to dump the bucket into the bag. We're going to see how that works. So I actually made a mark on my saw right here. That's 12 inches. And what I'm trying to do right now is just put everything on that mark, make a cut. The cutoff, the chunk, goes in the bucket, and then I'm going to bag up all these 12-inch sticks, and that will become the new smoking wood product. Will be a bag full of 12-inch sticks, and we'll have bags of chunks, and people can choose what they want, whatever's better for their smoker. That bucket heaping full now. Let's see if we can get this up. It's just a little tight. Yeah, that works fine. Make a mess. Knock everything over. And these same mesh bags actually work out really well with the 12-inch sticks sideways. It's just I don't have a good way to load it right now. I need some sort of sleeve or something to get it in there, because all the little edge pieces get caught up in the netting, and it makes the bag a little bit difficult to load. So the other thing I got here were these yellow tags. Got them on Amazon. Probably not the cheapest place for them, but they're plastic, and I just write on them with a Sharpie. They come with these little wires to tie them on, and I just put them on like this. These bags that I've been using lately don't have any other labeling on it. I've used bags in the past that had a big white strip right across the middle of the bag, and I could write with a Sharpie on there what was in the bag. But with these tags on here now, we can keep everything organized, and if I need to send my wife or my son to the shed to help fulfill an order, they don't have to try to guess what the wood is. They can just look at the tag. I think I've mentioned this on videos before, but keeping a wood yard clean is a challenge, and I'm curious to hear what some of you guys do. I always ask when I go visit other wood yards what other people do, and the feedback has varied quite a bit from push it off to the side, use it as fill, burn it, cart it off of the property and dispose of it elsewhere. So there's plenty of different ways to do it, but I've been scooping everything up and putting it in this burn barrel over here. But this afternoon I've been burning for hours, and I feel like I've hardly made a dent. So we've got a new product, new barbecue wood product. I'm going to take pictures of this. I'm going to get it on the website. I'm going to put it on Facebook Marketplace, and hopefully I can sell it very soon. And I've got 2 crates of hickory I showed on a previous video we pulled out of the kiln the other day, so I can bag up a bit of that hickory as well. There's still a lot of this cherry here. I've never sold smoker woods as a bulk product except green. I've done a few custom cut green orders, but I've never really had that much dry smoking wood sitting around that I could sell. So that's something I could explore, but for now I really just want to sell bagged products because it is a much higher sale, or it's a higher value per cord. It's a lower average sale, but as far as making as much money as possible off of the little bit of smoking wood that I have, doing it as a bagged product is the way to go. So you guys can let me know what you think about barbecue woods and maybe what you find sell the best in your area, or if you cook with wood, what type of wood do you use? Chunks, sticks, 12-inch, 16-inch, 18-inch, does it matter? I like the 12-inch because it bags up real nice in this, and for some of the smaller consumer-sized offset smokers, that fits nicely into their little firebox as well. You can probably see the sun's getting low. I need to start thinking about dinner, but thanks for spending a little bit of time with me today, guys. I appreciate you. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye-bye.